name is Karin. So I'm a full-time mommy and also running my beauty business at the same time. Yeah, so welcome to my channel, welcome to my TikTok, Facebook and IG. So today I'm going to share with you my day skincare routine, okay? So why skincare is so important to your skin, okay? Can you see that right now there's no filter? Okay, this is my original skin after shower. Yeah, so after shower, right, what's the next important step is to put on the toner step. So today I'm going to use this Mary Kay Time Wise Softener. This is with hyaluronic acid. Yeah, yeah, good. Okay. So she's my baby. So go say hello to everyone. Hello. Okay, so I'm gonna use this softener, Mary Kay softener. Okay, so if I say you like to grab any of the Mary Kay product, right, my beauty product, okay, feel free to WhatsApp me, yeah. Link will be in my bio, or you can check my WhatsApp number in this post. Yeah, so pour to the palm, then apply to the face. Okay, apply to the face. 这样啊，等一下，妈咪关先，等一下。Oh my god, see this 给波啊 ，Miss 给波 also must 给波นะ take properly. Miss 给波啊 ，Miss 给波 take for mommy. Miss 给波。Okay, apply to the whole face. 啊，你先妈咪擦哈，妈咪也是要擦，你也是要擦哈，擦也是哈你。Then next, put on the Mary Kay Vitamin C and E serum. Okay, this serum is for brightening purpose and also anti-aging purpose. Okay, 4 pounds for entire face and neck area. Okay. So people with pigmentation and acne scarring, dark spot, uneven skin tone can use this one to help with the skin. Okay. 你要擦哈擦擦，你要擦哈，你让你擦，擦。哎呀，没有了。Okay. This one is vitamin C and E serum， 对不对？哥哥对不对？对哈。Okay。Then next step, right, is to put on the moisturizer. Okay. 掉了，嘎胶啊，又嘎胶。Okay. I'll put on the Lumivee Moisturizing Cream. This one. Okay, this is for brightening and also anti-aging formula. This one I love this a lot. Yeah. Not too much, okay? Cream not too much, okay? Moisturizer don't need too much, okay? Okay, then apply to the whole entire face and neck area. Okay. Yeah. Okay, then the last step is to put on the sunblock. I'll be using this Mary Kay SPF 50 sunblock. This one really good. If you really want to order my beauty product, right, Mary Kay product, feel free to connect with me right now, WhatsApp me right now, okay? Check first before use. Okay, so it's very important to apply sunblock. It will help to protect the skin against the UV ray. Okay, so this one is suitable for men and women. So this one is really help to protect the UVA and UVB. This one baby can also use. Okay, apply to the whole face and neck area. Even your body can also apply. Okay. Agak ni apply sunblock. Okay, so that's all for my skincare tutorial for today. If you like to get any of the skincare product in my video, feel free to WhatsApp me. Yeah. Okay, thanks. Goodbye. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye. Kiss. 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 Good girl.